The night is breathing slowly now. Silver shadows on the ground. Every heartbeat finds a way to carry all my fears away. The wind is singing through the trees, bringing back forgotten dreams. In your eyes I see the light, guiding me through endless nights. Hold on, don't let go. Feel the rhythm moving low, like the ocean, like the rain, washing over every page. All night long, we rise and fall, answering the distant call. In this moment we are free, just your soul and mine to see. All night long, beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. Through the darkness we belong. Together we keep moving on. Sharp reflections on the sea tell a story meant to be. Every step and every sound pulls my spirit from the ground. Golden echoes drift away, waiting for a brighter day. When the morning finally comes, we'll remember what we become. No words, no walls, no fear tonight. Only love beneath the sky.